This is the math extra credit that I have to do, and there's two problems that I missed somewhere. Not that. This is my math extra credit. Here's the first problem. And my wrong answer was 16 slices, but the correct answer is 206 divided by 21, which equals 16. So the correct answer was there should be 16 bags instead of slices. The second problem is this, and I picked true, but the correct answer was false because the rate is false because the rate should not be 35. It should be 30 instead, because 35 times 35 is not 1,500, but 35 times 30 is 1,500. And that's my two math extra credit problems.